Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new topic. The topic name is English spoken course module. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content even while I'll publish my every single content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So this is time for let's begin. Don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. So thank you for having me, or thank you for calling me. My name is Shishir. I'm from Pabna. Now I will sharing with you my English spoken course module. In this course I have sequenced some kind of part like 10 parts. And number one part is this is called English basic, like alphabet work or like numeric word and like sound like A, B, C, D. This is called a alphabet words. And number two is learn from mistake for your daily life English word. If you are mistake in your daily life English words, that's why I have included my English spoken course module this part. And number three is vocabulary and phrases. This is called one of the best ways to learn English, like vocabulary and phrases. In this part I have included that some kind of daily useful train vocabulary for your English spoken journey, and also I have included phrases part with this vocabulary. And number four is English speaking for grammar. Grammar is one of the most important part about this English spoken course, like present tense, past tense, and future tense, continuous tense. It's like that. And number five part is this is one of the most part for correction from your mistake, because when you because when you will be learn a new thing, that time you will mistake, because mistake are proof that you are trying to do new thing. That's why in this part I will correction your English spoken journey. And number six part is question and answer. This is called a frequently question and answer, and this part is also important for English spoken journey. And number seven part is daily life English spoken conversation. This part is too much crucial for English spoken journey. And number eight part is travel or market or your local village. This is called a daily life English spoken conversation. And number nine part is practice. This part will available for practice, because there is no alternative about this practice. Practice makes man perfect. So practice is the most crucial part about this learn English. And number 10 part is revised your English spoken journey with me. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. This was my English spoken course module. See you soon with another content. So this is time for let's bye.